Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can receive payments on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I am right now on my store. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left and then go all the way down until you find settings. Once you find it, click on it and then here in the left, you're going to find all the sections and search for the payments section. Once you find it, click on it and then you will be right here. So basically guys, firstly from here you can choose a payment provider by clicking here. Just choose from this list. And right here, as you can see guys, you can add a payment method. So this is the supported payment method, which is PayPal. And if you click on add payment method, you can search for a payment method if you want to add it. Also, if you continue scrolling right here, you're going to find manual payment method. So from here, you can click on add manual payments method and you can choose from this list. You can choose either bank deposit, money order, cash on delivery, or you can also create a custom payment method by clicking on it and then fill in this form. And lastly, from here, as you can see guys, there is a section called payment customizations. So for this section to work, you need to have an application installed with payment method customizations. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.